Good morning, y'all. This is Alex with Alex's Adventures, and we're back with day 2 of our camping trip. Last night was cold at times. My face was mainly colder than anything else. You could tell Odin was not having it, and he was just kind of curled up in a ball. But it was also kind of windy as well, so that kept us up a little bit. But overall, I don't think it was terrible. This morning we have a fire going, and we just had breakfast, which we just had some regular hot dogs. Odin. Now he's camera shy.
Now he's camera shy. He's like, no.
Oh, there he is. What's up, everybody? I knew as soon as I said something you were gonna look over.
I thought we were chilling.
So, quick update. We are gonna be chilling. This guy is looking for some cuddles. So you know me, I gotta go ahead and comply. So I'm gonna give him some cuddles. I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye.
You know what the best thing about this tent is?
What?
We have a little snack passer.
Odin,
Yeah.
look.
Oh, good boy.
Little snack dispensary.
It's a snack dispenser.
All right, everybody. This is probably the only chance.
Can we just acknowledge the fact that you just fixed your hair beforehand? Just.
I want to look good for the camera. This is probably the only chance I have. It's been a super windy day. I'm talking about 26-mile-per-hour winds, and it's been crazy. We haven't really been able to do too much. Fishing's been just terrible. I mean, the river's all sorts of craziness.
You are kind of terrible at fishing.
And I'm terrible at fishing. So, hiking, I have an injured knee, and with this wind too, it's just blowing up dust everywhere. So we've kind of just been chilling around the camping area. So I know it's not been super entertaining, but yeah. Hopefully, we do still have friends that are coming by later today. The wind's supposed to start calming down. As you can tell, this is probably the calmest it's been. Kaale and I had a little contest, and my weapon won. So we made these little spears.
Mine is way better, let me tell you.
Hers was not way better. It was chosen by Odin, our dog. He chose my weapon. We did the fair on his, pull out. He gets to choose. So just
just being a sore loser.
See, she even lost it. Oh.
Look at it.
So, we'll just show you guys. This is mine.
This is mine.
Now, mine's dual-sided, so practicality.
Practicality, mine is range and close, because you can attach right here on the end of it aerodynamics to make it go farther. And if you look closely, you can see like little holes in there too that make it whistle in the wind.
So you guys tell us who you think had the better little better spear.
Mira, watch, ready?
That was terrible. That was, oh my gosh. Hey guys. So our friends made it. We got Jonathan and Ivy. You guys have probably, you guys have seen them in some fishing videos. But they brought food, so now we're gonna eat. We weren't able to really do any fishing or hiking. The day's just been terrible. But there's finally no wind, so we're gonna take advantage, eat some food, and just hanging around. So yeah, that's probably gonna be the last part of the video. So hope you guys enjoyed everything else, especially those aerial shots from earlier. Until next time, go find an adventure. Peace out.